I was looking in the mirror, trying to find a new reflection. Wanna take the road, let's travel down a different direction. Make some new mistakes, forget the ones I've made. Cry some tears of joy, and dress more like a boy. And come back as a blonde, try a different lipstick on, as a blonde. Will I get whatever I want? I'll be ever so enticing, cake a lot of icing. Never have to watch my weight out when I'm gone. I'm gonna come back as a blonde. I wanna meet myself as someone else, just to see what it feels like. Take a walk on the other side, 'cause you know that I just might break some different hearts. Finish what I start. I'm not gonna wait and mess around with fate, and come back as a